Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel, to my page. This is K Kitchen. So in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this beautiful, yummy yet simple sandwich bread. So if you want to know how this is made, keep watching. Check the description below for the list of the ingredients. So in a bowl I'll be adding my shredded cabbage and my shredded carrot. You can also add any protein of choice to this mixture already. So if you know that this looks so plain to you, just add shredded beef, chicken, fish. So next you are just going to go ahead and add in some mayonnaise. You can use any quantity of your choice, so it's left for you in this regard. So this is just me trying to get all the mayonnaise out of the plate, if you get what I mean. So, and right now guys, things are so mayonnaise are so expensive in the market, so you can't afford to waste any, right? So you just want to go ahead and mix thoroughly till everything is well coated, and you are just going to set that aside. Also, I'm just going to go ahead and slice my boiled eggs for later use, and that's exactly what I'm doing here right now. So here, nicely coat one side of each slice with butter and set aside just as I'm doing now. So after that is done, you just want to go ahead and flip your bread like so. Ensure the sides coated with butter, one side is facing down and the other is facing up. Then top with vegetable mixture, just as you are seeing in the video right now. Top also with some sliced boiled egg. If you have ketchup, you can also do some at this point, so just do you right. When that is done, set aside and continue with the rest till you exhaust the slices and the vegetables. So guys, if you watch to this stage and you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Facebook page, this is just a reminder to let you know that this is time to do so. So click on the like button and also share with your friends, guys. Thanks for watching. Next, go ahead and coat the grill pan or toaster with some butter or cooking oil to prevent the bread from sticking to the pan. So ensure to place the bread gently into the pan. Guys, I just got my hand burnt. Anyways, we move. So you just want to make sure you toast this for about 2 to 3 minutes and just flip to the other side and repeat the same thing. Leave it to toast for about 2 or 3 minutes before taking out. And when your bread are nicely toasted, you're just going to go ahead and take them out and enjoy with your favorite drinks. Tell me in the comment section, do you enjoy it with tea or with visu drinks? So thank you guys for watching. I'm just going to take a bite and show you guys how yummy and delicious this tastes. So I hope you get to try it out. See you in my next video. Bye.